Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbnail on YouTube. The easiest. So first, everyone hit thumbnail maker, tap that icon right there, the camera icon, choose any photo like me, hit the T to type. So I'm just going to put hey guys, and you hit the check mark to complete it, and you can crop it, and then if you don't type it again, you can hit the T, and then you can change the font. So I like that font, so I'm going to choose that one. If you double tap it again and you hit that little like pen thing, you can change the color of it. And so I'm going to put it green, and then the stroke is the outline. Now this is the like backdrop, I don't know what to call it, but you'll see what I mean. Yeah, that. The check mark to verify it, not verify, but complete it, yes. And now if you press that little face, you can choose stickers. So let's put the OMG sticker, the number 1 sticker. What else? I don't know. Just put YouTube. Let's put the LG glasses. Those on. What else? To make those fit the eyes, okay? Looks pretty bad, but okay. Let's put the thing, the controller, and it's not called a thing. Let's put the fire up, coming down on the top. Let's put another one, size that, and slanted. Alright. Then we need another one. No. Okay, that one's too big. You need to delete that one. Okay. Put that one there. And get one more. Alright, so guys, once you're done, this is the final step. You just want to look for the video that you want to put your thumbnail on. And this is the app that I was talking about earlier called YouTube Studio. I'm going to go into YouTube Studio, I'll click on an app, press that pencil icon. So let's press it real quick, and then you want to hit edit thumbnail. It will say customize thumbnail or something for you guys, but for me, since I already have thumbnail on, it will say change thumbnail. So you just want to tap change. So let's tap change. Get the notification out of it. So you can hit moments, recently added, or anything. But I'm just gonna hit all photos and choose that thumbnail that we made earlier. Then you want to hit select. But I'm not gonna hit select because then it will change the thumbnail that I already made earlier before I made this one. So I'm just gonna hit this with changes, and yeah, so you guys want to hit save. But if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials, and also leave